Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Waterford crystal desktop clock. First thing you're going to need is a new battery. This takes a 377, 376. There's also a handful of other model numbers, but it's all the same battery. And I've included a link in the description that will take you straight there. You can pick yours up for, I think they're about $2 a piece. I'm also going to be using a pair of metal tweezers, and realistically, your fingers or plastic tweezers generally are better to use. So first thing we'll do is just take your fingernail and just get behind that. Or if you need something even smaller, you can use a little knife or something. Now there's a few different styles of back here. This one has the time adjustment here. Sometimes there's like a little knob right here. So for this one, you just want to remove this cap. I'm just going to pull this out with my tweezers. And your battery's right there. I'm going to pull that out. Okay, old battery is out, and I'm going to take the new battery. I'm just going to push this in with my fingers. Actually, let me just use this. Okay, we are seated. Now make sure the clock's running. Okay, that's running. Go ahead and replace your back cover. You can make your adjustments now, and you're all set. Good to go for another couple years. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.